Westinghouse has been manufacturing reliable, high-quality domestic appliances for over 60 years. And their gas-powered portable generator has got all of your emergency power needs covered. Westinghouse WGen7500 has an easy electric start from battery power, a massive startup power of 9,000 watts, and a running time of 7,500 watts, which is more than enough power to keep large appliances like fridges, freezers, televisions and air conditioners functioning. Although the majority of conventional generators will run for about 8 to 10 hours at 50% load, this model can last for up to 11 hours at 25% capacity. It has a 6.6-gallon fuel tank, and a powerful 420 cc OHV engine that is designed for quiet operation. This generator is very easy to assemble, and the control center offers you 4 power outlets. It has never flat tires, high leverage handles, and additional accessories like a tool kit, and a 1-liter bottle of oil. Overall, this generator can be your first choice, if you are looking for a powerful portable generator for power up your house, or outdoor projects.